Hey, so if LDPlayer started lagging or dropping frames after a recent update, yeah, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes to stop FPS drops on PC and get things running smooth again. All right, first things first, close LDPlayer completely and reopen it. Sometimes after an update, background processes don't reset properly, and that alone can cause FPS issues. Next, head into LDPlayer settings. Go to the performance section and make sure the emulator is actually using enough CPU cores and memory. If this is set too low after an update, FPS will drop hard. Now check the graphics settings, try switching between OpenGL and DirectX. Updates can sometimes change compatibility, and one mode might perform way better on your system than the other. Here's a weird one, but yeah, if high FPS mode is enabled, try turning it off temporarily. On some updates, high FPS actually causes stuttering instead of helping. Also, take a quick look at what else is running on your PC. Screen recorders, browsers, or game launchers can eat resources and make emulator performance way worse after updates. If FPS drops are still there, make sure your graphics driver is up to date. Emulator updates often expect newer drivers, and outdated ones can cause frame drops or stuttering. And yeah, that's pretty much it. One of these fixes usually solves FPS drops after an LDPlayer update. If it helped, great, and if not, you might want to test an older version until the next patch rolls out.